Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we are going to do another headlight restoration. This one is Mercedes ML320, so that will be W163 class. So stay with us to see how we are going to make that headlight like new again. As you can see how burned that thing is. Okay, and it's really hard to see at night as well, and it makes the car look so ugly right now. So what we're going to do, we're going to make it like new and permanently restore it, not just something that you see a video how to restore it and until you wash it and then it loses its crystal clear shiny coat again. So stay with us to see how we're going to make it really clear and really shiny. What we're going to need, guys, first is a 1200 sandpaper, water sandpaper, and 2000. So you need to get the 1200, and first thing that you need to do, you need to dip it in a bucket of water and you need to sand it. Okay, and you're going to sand the headlight. You can see that yellowish brownish water foaming thing coming out. Okay, that's the top layer that's burned from the sun, from the weather, from road grime, high temperature. As you know, when the headlights are on, it burns the plastic. So you need to keep doing that and sand the whole headlight. It will take you probably about 2 to 3 minutes to do the whole headlight. Alright guys, and that's what it looks like after about 3 minutes of sanding. And if you're new to that, you do it for the first time, we recommend to use a painter's tape and just tape it around the headlight. That way you'll not scratch it with the sandpaper. Even though 1200, if you just touch it 1 or 2 times, won't hurt it, and you can easily fix it, and we'll show you, with the buffer. We're going to polish it now. Stay with us to see what else we need to do. But now you need to go ahead and use a 2000 sandpaper. The 2000 will buff the scratches out of the 1200, as you can see, and it will make it really easy to polish and make it crystal clear. Okay, so you need to do the whole headlight again, about 3 minutes probably of sanding or less. It just depends on how bad it is. Sometimes you have to sand more, sometimes you don't have to do that. If the headlight is not bad at all, you can just go ahead and use only 2000 sandpaper. You don't even need to use the 1200. Okay, and after that you need to rinse it off good, make sure you don't have anything left. Okay, just like that. Now it looks okay, but when you dry it, and now you need to dry it, it will look dull again. You look dull, but it won't be yellowish. So stay with us to see what else you need to do. Okay, and to see if we can achieve excellent results again. That method we tried in the past, it worked so far 100%. Okay guys, now what we're going to use, it's made by 3M and the part number is right here if you need it. It's called Perfect It Series, and this is the rubbing compound, it's number 1. You can buy those in small quantities if you need to, but if you want to polish your car and make it super nice, you can use it on the paint as well. So now we need to apply a thin layer on the whole headlight, and do not do that in direct sunlight. You have to be out of the sunlight. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to need a foam pad and a polisher, and we're going to do ours is a digital polisher, so you can go as many RPMs as you want. So we're going to make it at 1900. Alright guys, and you can see what the difference is, but it's still not ready. We're going to make it even shinier. We're going to use the same series, that's a part number by 3M, it's called Machine Polish. And we're going to apply the same way, and we're going to buff it again with the buffer. But when you go with the buffer with both, guys, 1 and 2, do not spend much time at one spot. You have to be moving quickly back and forth, because if you spend too much time, you might make the plastic too hot and melt it. Okay, now with the same foam pad you can do it. If you have another one, it's better, but if that one is not dirty, you can use this one and just move back and forth quickly. Okay guys, and that's the finished result. As you can see, crystal clear like brand new, super shiny, super smooth. you have great visibility at night. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know what you think. Hopefully the video was helpful and it will save you some money instead of buying new headlights. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.